Hey guys, Miss Stone. I'm tired of trying to film this video. I'm so chatty today. I keep on rambling on and it ends up being, I don't know, 15 minutes long. Anyway, I have a lot to show, so I'm gonna go fast. First, this is a magnet set with bottle caps and I think they're cute. I used some stickers that Crafty Patty 2009 sent me. There's best friends, love you, and hello, each in different colors. I still have to glue the magnets, but I think they're cute. So there's those. I got my Oyomaru mold, Oyomaru, I don't know how you say that. And I made a whole bunch of molds, and I'm gonna go fast. So this was a cabochon that I had, so I made a mold, and still not glazed, as you guys can see, but I really like it. Then this, a cabochon that Andy Wonderland sent me, and I made my own, as you can see. It's almost the same. And this is an eraser that also Andy Wonderland sent me. And isn't it awesome? This is my favorite piece. Love it. I'm a vampire groupie. Yeah, I have that issue. I'm a fan of vampires. So I love this one. Also, this piece that he sent me, I made a mold. And now I have my own yellow submarine. And I'm gonna paint every detail to make it look like the Beatles one. Some extra resin that I poured into this mold for the first time, the awareness ribbons. I'm not happy with it because I don't like this bump here. I don't know why. I'm gonna try to figure if I can make it better, figure out a way to make it better. Then this piece, I finally finished the back. I'm gonna make another video soon talking about the doming the back in order to avoid sanding your resin pieces, because you guys know that sanding resin is a safety, healthy hazard or whatever. This one, me trying to save this white heart because there was a blob of resin on the back, but I made a fail again because I forgot to come and check while it's still, you know, the resin wasn't cured yet, and it cured twisted. Weird. But it's a good idea. I liked it. I'm gonna do something else. I'm sorry about the glare. And some extra resin became this black glittery heart. Still haven't glazed it. I just popped these out. Polymer clay. This leather-like thing. I'm gonna explain how I did this. This is a very thick piece of clay that I wrote with a pencil machine. I think these are 2 layers of number 9 setting. It's very thick. So I put it together, then I pressed the stamping pad. It's not a pad, it's a sheet by Sculpey. I pressed it on top, then I cut the shape that I wanted. I put the little strip of clay around it, so to give it a nice finish. I added this little carvings on the side to go with the design, and I baked it. Then, this is gold clay. Then I used brown China ink and painted the top so that the paint could go in the, how do you say that, the deep thing. And then I cleaned it and I sanded the top so that the gold would show more than the brown, and now it looks like leather. If you want to know in detail and step by step how to do this, you can check At Home with Cindy's channel. She has a video on stamping on clay. She explains it very well and it's very simple to make. So there's that. And I made this ring. I finally did a retro cane, and OMG, I need a macking extruder like ASAP, because these canes are awesome. Here's another. It's a necklace, and this is gonna be hard to show. But these canes are awesome and easy to make, with one slight problem. My extruder is, you know, a hand one. I know that macking has one that has a lever that you twist and makes it easier. The one I have doesn't have that, and I had bruises on the palms of my hands, and my arms hurt like for 3 days. It's absurd. The amount of pressure that you have to, you know, the force that you need, it's surreal. So I'm not making any new retro canes until I can get my hands at a macking extruder, the one with the lever. This is another piece with the retro cane. There we go. I made also the little droplet and these beads. and cinnamon long chain. Sorry, dog's barking. Then I made this one. It's inspired by a tutorial by Missy Klaus. She calls it Colonna di Sketchy. It's not exactly like hers because I watched hers once and then I was sitting here and I tried to make one by memory, but I still love it. See, when you hang it like this, it turns around, but it's on your neck, it stays. So I made these 2 beads to go along with it, and I love it. So there's that, I showed them all, and did I show these? My little capuchon things? I did, right? Did I show this? I'm not sure, I don't think I did. No, I didn't show the capuchons. So I made this pair of earrings, and the ice cream, and the Mickey paw. And these things were made out of the Japanese mold thing. Plus, China ink. China ink. Have I shown these? I'm not sure. Anyway, if I haven't, China ink, black China ink. And this is going to be a keychain, and I made this with gel pen. I waited 24 hours before I put the resin layer on top, and now it's in here forever. Isn't that cool? So now I'm gonna use gel pens to do this, and on this side I'm gonna do something else, and this is gonna be a keychain like that. So, and this is the same thing. This is just a random piece, just my test. It says Paris je t'aime with a little Eiffel Tower. So I think that's, oh no, Leslie, this last piece. This is for Cheryl Hampton soap. I'm so confused because of the so many times I had to record this video. Anyway, this is for Cheryl Hampton soap. I finally made something special for you because that's how I like to send my packages. I like to have at least one very special item for the person, something that I made for you. And this is what I made for you. It's inspired by the painting, the print of your painting that you sent me, and it's a little figurine, and I try to be as close to what you did as I could. Of course I failed miserably but I think it still reminds the painting, and I think you might like this rendition of your work. So there's that. Hope you like it. I haven't seen you around in a while, but I'll contact you before I send it because it's not going to be the only thing that I'm going to send you. But anyway, hope you like it, and that's it, guys. I'm gonna now do the package opening video. No, actually, I've already done the never mind. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.